Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about money, specifically your money, and how to make the most of it. You know those times when you're staring at that ATM screen, your balance is looking a little too friendly with zero, but you really need cash? And then there's Chime Spot Me, promising to be your financial superhero. But can it actually save the day at the ATM? That's the question we're diving into today. Let's get real for a second. We've all been there. You're out and about, living your best life, when suddenly, bam, you realize your account is as empty as your fridge after a wild party. Your heart sinks as you approach the ATM, hoping against hope that there's a miracle waiting for you. This is where Chime Spot Me comes into the picture, waving its magical wand, promising to cover your back. But does it actually work when you're facing that cold, hard ATM machine? First things first, what is Chime Spot Me? It's essentially an overdraft protection service, but without the pesky fees. Chime gives you a certain amount of overdraft protection, which means you can spend more than you have in your account. But here's the kicker, it's not unlimited. You have a specific Spot Me limit, and it's different for everyone. So, can you use this overdraft protection to pull out cash from the ATM? The short answer is yes, you can. Chime Spot Me covers ATM withdrawals, just like it covers debit card purchases. So, if you're under your Spot Me limit, there's a good chance you can snag that cash. But remember, it's not a guaranteed get-out-of-jail-free card. If you try to withdraw more than your Spot Me limit, the transaction will likely be declined. So, it's important to know your limits and plan accordingly. Now, let's talk about the fine print. While Chime Spot Me is a lifesaver in many situations, it's not without its limitations. For starters, the amount of Spot Me you get depends on several factors, including your direct deposit amount, account history, and Chime's risk assessment. So, don't count on a huge Spot Me limit right off the bat. Also, keep in mind that Spot Me is a privilege, not a right. Chime can change your Spot Me limit at any time, and they can even cut you off completely if you abuse the service. So, use it wisely and responsibly. Another thing to consider is ATM fees. Even if you can use Spot Me to withdraw cash, you might still get hit with a fee by the ATM owner. To avoid these fees, try to use ATMs within the Chime network. You can find a list of fee-free ATMs on the Chime website or app. So, can you use the ATM with Chime Spot Me? Yes, you can. But should you? Well, that depends on your financial situation. While it can be a lifesaver in a pinch, it's not a long-term solution. It's always better to avoid overdrafting if possible. So, try to budget wisely and keep track of your spending. But let's be real, unexpected expenses happen. That's why having a safety net like Chime Spot Me can be helpful. Just remember to use it responsibly and appreciate the service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.